intended for baby lang siya.
Nag-relax na sila ron?
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
room around sila sila.
Yes, ma'am. They can roam freely around their natural
Paggunit lang
habitat.
diya.
Their white stripe at their back, which can be used for camouflage.
Mara na ilang kanya. Pila sila kabuktanan nila?
Ano sa man, ma'am? Ang water back or ang ilan?
Ano sila? Ilan?
Daghan man yung water back, ma'am, 13 ka buok. Yeah, it depends on pila ang ipagawas sa keeper.
Ay, mga kaya?
Sa holding area, katulad dito.
Katong holding area.
Napay daghan dito.
Depende sila ipagawa.
Depende pila ipagawas sa keeper. Ay, free lunch. Perfect. Alright. Mga area sa ilan, ma'am. Then,
Hindi pwedeng para sila yung tubig sa area.
sir, each animals na sa area. So, dito dyan. Alright, so we call it African savanna, ma'am sir, because all of the animals originated from Africa, but bred raised under human care from USA, UAE, and Belgium. But some of them are naturalized Filipino citizens na. We are breeding inside Cebu Safari, ma'am sir. In total, we have 370 hectares. But inside Cebu Safari, we have 170 hectares. And it is owned by Señorito Emilio Willier and managed by our Vice President, Sir Edward G. Lopo. Alright. And it is a home of over 157 different species inside Cebu Safari. Again, we have great impala. So they're known as shy type kung sila, ma'am sir. They always cover their back. Mamistikin siya nga their bat family of antelopes because sa yahang slimmer legs.
Guys, itong bumpy.
Once again, impala.
Ay, bari pa